Hello there, in this video, I'll show you how to text or send messages to people on TikTok. Let's get started because it's quick and simple. I've got TikTok open here, and I'll show you a few different ways to message people, but first, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right here, then the three lines at the top right, and then tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Privacy again, and then scroll down a bit under Safety to see who can send you direct messages, and make sure it's not set to no one. Set it to friends, and then let's go back home, and I'll show you how to send messages. If I want to send this person a message, I can swipe to the left and you can see that there is no message icon here. But if I follow them, the message button pops up and I can send them a message like that. But if I send them messages, it gives me a small error here. So, depending on how they have their messages set, if they have their messages set to friends, they must also follow you. You must follow them and they must follow you. So that's a drawback in terms of how you can send messages on TikTok. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you're under the age of 16, you can't send or receive messages on TikTok. This is against their terms, and they want to ensure that people under the age of 16 can't send or receive messages from strangers. So that's how you send messages or texts on TikTok. It's quite simple and quick. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.